good night, good morning, good afternoon. What time of the day is your thing? It's your time. Link, not link, but comment down below in the comment section. And let's do this. This thing is soft. We are all blood, regardless of who. 10 more minutes and it's almost done. Let me add some lemon. It keeps getting brought up though. Why is it a problem? I know I'm just a kid, but do not try this on. We'll add some salt. It needs to have like a pound to it. It smells like it has like something in it, but it has to have the kick. Five more minutes. So good. All I need is like soy sauce. Oh my god, yeah. Not soy sauce. I got it here. And now we're gonna strain the little green stalks, whatever these are called, asparagus. Yeah, asparaguses, and then they're supposed to get like all like laggy, but they're not. Like kind of laggy, like this one, but like it's not really laggy. Set that right here. Okay. Okay. Turn on this ejector, whatever it's called, and then let this kind of chill. Okay, I had to put this somewhere. Okay, and then I have to get another pot. I have this Parmesan cheese, but I don't know what to do with it. Let me just add a little bit. Let's go for summer. Die for summer. Put a little of that, little this, little that, little that, little this, little that, little this. Little sprinkle of that, little sprinkle of this. Okay, I have to clean this all up afterwards. It sucks. Okay, I need this, but I don't need that though. cheese? Comment section below. In the next video, do you like Parmesan cheese or pepper jack or whatever? What kind of cheese do you like? If you don't like dairy, if you can't eat dairy, what type of food do you like? That's something. Ew. What do I have to do next? Then I have to booty hole to clean everything. I'm gonna end this video here, and then tomorrow I'll mix it up. Yeah, and stuff. I'll see you later.